Welcome back to John Juan, A Taste of Culture. Today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be reviewing a place that was recommended to John Juan, A Taste of Culture since I make some amazing fried chicken. A co-worker of mine wanted me to try out this fried chicken place called Lovebird, Almost Famous Chicken. As you can see, Lovebird, Almost Famous Chicken, located in Winter Haven, Florida, and I did a takeout. So what I ordered was large white, medium bird sauce with smoky barbecue sauce, fries, and Gouda mac. Altogether total less than 20 bucks. We're gonna see how it is. Stay tuned. Alright, first let's open up the fries. This is how the fries look. Skin on fries. Don't look too bad. I'm gonna take one and let you know how it is. It's not bad. Seasoned well and not greasy. Could have a little bit more crunch on it though, but I'll give it like a give it about a 7. Let's see what else is there. Let's see what's in here. Supposed to be the chicken and everything else. So okay, you got pretty much half a chicken, but all white. You got breast and wing, medium heat on this, and right here some Gouda mac and cheese, and 2 sauces on the side. We'll let you know how this is hitting. Stay tuned. So here's my honest review. The mac and cheese, the Gouda mac and cheese, I'd give probably a 6. It didn't have enough flavor for me. It wasn't balanced. And it wasn't cheesy as it's supposed to be. So garlic sauce was alright. Smoked barbecue sauce, okay. The chicken, although they said they brined it overnight, didn't really taste any deep seasoning to it. It was juicy, but on top of it being juicy, it was too greasy. My chicken, deep fried, no grease. Crunchy, there's no crunch on this. It's definitely not better than Popeyes. I don't mess with KFC. You know what I mean? And I haven't had KFC in over 20 years because once they changed the KFC and no longer Kentucky Fried Chicken, I don't believe the chicken is real anyway. But I'll give the chicken probably a 7 as I gave the fries. Lovebird, unless I may try something else next time. Would I recommend it? If you want to try something new, I guess. But if you don't like greasy chicken, I wouldn't recommend it. So that's my review here at John Juan, A Taste of Culture. We give thanks at all times, and at all times we give thanks. Stay blessed.